Alright, so we are going to make some Reese's coffee cake mix. Yeah, this isn't a real big fancy you cook it kind of dinner tonight, or not dinner, but dessert. But I really just wanted to show my new pan that came, one of the subscribers had sent to me, and it's called From Sweets R Us 1956. So this is really nice. I had one of these before where it actually was a 3-piece and this bottom part popped up out. If you put your hand underneath it, it popped out and removed the sides. This is nice and heavy duty. We're going to make our Reese's and we're going to stick it in this pan, and then once it comes out of the oven and it cools, you just put this right down in there. I don't like that. Bella, don't be mean to Gypsy. And it'll slice these into perfect little squares. So let's get started. We need to heat the oven to 400 or 375 for a nonstick pan. So we have it on at 375 right now. And our bread's over there rising. We're going to stir the coffee cake mix, water, eggs, and oil in a medium bowl until they're blended. It's probably still going to be lumpy, and then we're going to pour it in the bowl and sprinkle it with the streusel batter. So we have our coffee mix in there, and we have 1/3 cup of oil. We're going to pour that in, and then we're going to pour in 1/3 cup of water. And we're going to crack in our 2 eggs. And then we're going to mix this just until it's blended, and it will still be lumpy. So we got our little whisk out. Boy, I can smell that peanut butter. If you're a peanut butter person, that smells delicious. We'll just whisk this all together here. And then we're going to pour this right into our greased pan. So we're going to just pour this in and make sure it's nice and even. Make sure you get it all out. If you have the right kitchen tools, you can make sure you get that nice and clean. To the last drop. I'm just gonna make it go like this so that you make sure it gets all nice and even. And then you're just gonna sprinkle this right on top. This is your coffee cake crumbles. So sprinkle the streusel batter. Sprinkle this all over nice and evenly. And there you got your topping on it. Now we're just going to throw this in the oven for about 20 to 25 minutes. So we're going to set the timer for 20 and then we'll check it and see how well it is. Our timer went off and check that out. That looks nice and delicious. So we're going to let that cool before we use our little cutter thing, this thing here in that. Once it's cool, you'll be able to put this in here and slice it down, and it makes the perfect little squares. We got it cool, and we're just going to put this on here, and you just press it right back down in. Look at that. Perfect little slices. You pull it all up, and it's already cut for you. That's awesome. Thanks, Sweets R Us. We love it.